Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Thursday morning weather hazard briefing for Southeast Idaho. Taking a look at our weather impact summary, we expect to see record or near record highs across Southeast Idaho Friday and Saturday as a high pressure ridge builds into the region. For Saturday afternoon into Sunday, we will see that ridge begin to break down, which will result in critical fire weather conditions across portions of Southeast Idaho. And as that ridge continues to break down into early next week, we expect to see a cool northerly flow overspreading the region with unsettled conditions. And we'll take a look at those things here in a second. Looking at our satellite imagery from early this morning, we have a high-pressure ridge centered over California. That ridge will expand into Nevada on Friday and all of the Great Basin on Saturday. You can see a great deal of the flow here is spreading up through Canada and off into the Midwest. So we'll stay under this protective ridge at least through Saturday. Looking at our weather impact matrix, not expecting a whole lot of activity today, Thursday. We are expecting to see warmer temperatures throughout the region on Friday and record or near record highs here on Saturday. The ridge will begin to break down Saturday afternoon, which will result in some gusty winds and low relative humidity. So in these areas where we see the orange colors at moderate risk of some fire weather critical conditions, those conditions will linger across portions of southeast Idaho going into Sunday, particularly the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley and south central highlands. And maybe there'll be a slight chance of maybe seeing some of that critical fire weather conditions lingering into Monday across the southern highlands. But other than that, we expect to see cool northerly flow beginning to spread across the region with humidities beginning to rise across most of the region. Okay, looking at our forecast charts, high temperatures today, generally in the 80s here across the Snake River Plain, and high temperatures as we work our way into Saturday, that day when we're expecting the record or near record highs. Here we are looking at highs throughout the Snake River Plain, generally in the upper 90s, and seeing 80s to upper 90s here in the central mountains as well. High temperatures on Tuesday. As I said, the ridge is broken down by Monday, so by Tuesday we should see our coolest temperatures basically into the 60s here across southeast Idaho. Minimum humidities for today, generally in the teens, and on Saturday we'll bottom out with single digits to lower teens across good portions of southeast Idaho. Wind gusts on Saturday as that ridge begins to break down. This is what will bring us our critical fire conditions along with those minimum humidities I just showed you. We are expecting winds to begin to mix down into the lower elevations here Saturday afternoon with the breakdown of that ridge. Here we are looking at wind gusts upwards of 25 to 30 miles per hour across the central mountains. May even see some of that activity sneak down into the northern portion of the Snake River Plain here and Shoshone lava fields. So those areas look to be, at least on Saturday, the areas for potential critical fire weather conditions. As we work our way into Sunday, the stronger winds slip into the Sun Valley region, Shoshone area, south central highlands. This main corridor right here will be the area for potential red flag conditions on Sunday. And then on Monday, not showing it very clearly here, but we are looking to see a backdoor cold front begin to work into the region late Saturday afternoon or late Monday afternoon, Monday evening, which will spread down the valley. So a northerly flow spreading across at least these northern regions here with a fairly stiff west-northwest flow continuing across the Magic Valley and a portion of the south central highlands here. With that backdoor cold front, here we are looking at Monday afternoon, but looks like we stand a chance of seeing some precipitation up here along the Montana-Wyoming divide as those storm systems plunge south through the Midwest, and we get the trailing edge of that stuff working into the highlands here for Monday afternoon, maybe even to Tuesday. Okay, in summary, we are seeing a high-pressure ridge build across the region today through Saturday, so we expect to see record or near-record highs for Friday and Saturday. The ridge does begin to break down Saturday afternoon and continues into Sunday, which will result in some critical fire weather conditions across portions of southeast Idaho. Certainly by Monday and into Tuesday, we'll have a cool northerly flow overspreading the forecast region, which will result in unsettled conditions. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments, questions, or concerns, please give us a call at the number on the screen. Thank you.